This is Hardy, and before I start, I want to ask you one question. Did you ever feel overwhelmed by technology and how fast the world is moving right now? New topics every week: Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, N8N, AI agents, agentic AI. What is this all about and where do we even start? Honestly, I know this feeling quite well. And this, although I use these technologies every day in my daily work. So I asked myself, how do you have to feel with it? In the last 10 years as a management consultant, I've learned one major thing. People who really succeed and thrive, they have one thing in common. They consistently learn, they prioritize, they focus, they reinvent themselves, and they implement new things into their daily life. This is actually the reason why I wanted to start this channel, to learn new things together with you and maybe help some of you with all these new topics. But first of all, who am I as a person? My name is Hardy and I'm from Germany. I have a bachelor and a master degree in engineering and science. In my private life, I enjoy to do creative work, like drawing art, creating YouTube videos like this, be active, and also watch several sports. For the last 10 years, and still I'm working as a management consultant, helping major organizations navigate through technologies and manage their real transformations. I have led several major projects successfully and learned quite a lot of lessons over the last 10 years. Some of them, if applicable, I also want to share with you in this channel. So what is this channel all about? On this channel, you can expect two major content pillars in the beginning. The first one is around AI and productivity, where we will explore together new tools, where we will have step-by-step tutorials and also look on real-world use cases. We will check how we can use AI in our daily work, how we can use AI in our private life in order to reduce the workload. Really simple and useful integration that actually create value. Some of these I already know, but I'm learning too, and I want to learn together with you. On each topic, I will also give my honest opinion if it's useful to use AI in this case or not, so we can have a discussion around that. The second pillar is learning and growth. There we will talk about books, personal development topics, learn new things, frameworks, methods, how we can use AI in order to facilitate these concepts and ideas, and try to somehow learn, adapt and grow together. The idea behind both and everything is basically that we really train our most valuable skill, the skill and the ability to learn and adapt. So who is this channel for? This channel is for curious people who take themselves seriously and want to develop together with me. Who want to use AI without the overwhelm, get an idea how to integrate it successfully in your private, your work life, wherever it's applicable. All the people who want to actually apply what they've read online, heard in several podcasts, and to really want to hit their goals and adapt. I'm Hardy, this is the channel, and I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel and follow me on this journey. I hope to see you in the next video.